What's up, Adventure Buddies?
Welcome back to this week's video. In this video, we're going to take you behind the scenes of Adventure Buddies, show you everything from the beginning to the finished process and how we make Adventure Buddies come alive. Come along for the ride. So step one of the process behind the scenes, every Monday we have a team meeting. And in that team meeting, we walk everything through what's the upcoming activities that we have planned throughout the rest of the month and what specific social media content we're planning on posting during the week. So we're planning out every Instagram photo, Facebook photo, all the way down to planning out every single detail to these YouTube videos that you're watching here.
So after we plan the activity, we go and experience it. And it does look like a lot of fun from our posts. However, there is quite a bit of work involved.
And so what does Trevi mean by work? And so not only are we taking a ton of photos and a ton of videos, we actually don't get it right on the first try. So ask the kids. We take a ton of retakes and retakes and retakes to make sure we get that perfect shot or that perfect video. And so we're using a ton of different cameras. And if you're wondering what's in our camera bag, check the link up below. We have a whole nother video for that. And so on top of the cameras, we're also doing a lot of collaboration with some of the businesses that we're working with and also writing down some talking points for us and come back to that green screen where we can recap our adventures so we can properly share with our fellow adventure buddies. So after the activity is done, the work continues. And what do I mean by that? So we just filled up plenty of different memory cards and we now have to do something with that. So we download those all to our computer and we start the long, grueling editing process. And so we're editing photos as well as videos. And videos formatted for a ton of different content based on every different social media platform. And so the editing process actually takes quite a bit of time and effort to make sure that we're capturing that experience perfectly so we can bring it back to you guys.
So once we upload all the videos, then we write out the talking points and we sit down in front of this green screen with the kids and we do our talking points to educate you guys.
And the talking points are fun, mainly for two reasons. First off, we get to recap the adventure that we had the previous week. And two, we generate a ton of bloopers. And so for your viewing entertainment, here's a couple of them for you.
So speaking of what?
Speaking of home adventures.
Well, did we say home adventures?
What's up, guys? Don't know what to say.
So,
Yep, go.
so some...
3, 2, 1.
Come check out our ice castle. What am I gonna say?
Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give that thumbs up. If you haven't done so... So there you guys have it. Some quick ideas and traditions.
I'll do it. So there you have it, some ideas that maybe you want to try this year for a COVID-safe Halloween. And again, look, wear some cool... Nope. What is that? Not cool.
Wear
It's not
something
cool.
that she makes you wear.
Wait, do
Shut
it
up
over.
about it. You don't
Do
wear
it over again, because I wanted to show our things.
And so last but not least, we come full circle back to our weekly meeting where now we plug in those activities, those photos, those talking points into our content calendar. So now that we have a strategy throughout the week and when and how we're gonna post each of the adventures that we capture. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed this video, giving you a sneak peek and behind the scenes of what it takes to put The Adventure Buddies together. So if you want more content, please visit our website at theadventurebuddies.com. Here we have tons of itineraries and tons of to-dos and recaps of what we've already done. So hopefully I can inspire you to get out there and have your own adventures. And subscribe down below because that would really mean the world to us as we continue to grow our Adventure Buddies community. And speaking of community, Trevi, where should they join?
On Facebook, Everyday Adventures with the Adventure Buddies.
And there you guys have it. I'm Matt.
I'm Trevi.
And we're the Adventure Buddies. And remember, life's an adventure.
Who are you going on it with?